Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Let's make this beautiful jewelry box on our own. For that, let's upcycle an old cardboard box. I have taken this old cardboard box. It already has a lid on it and there were two flaps which I removed, and then we can use it as a separator. If you use the separator, it will help the lid to not get pushed inside. I am not going to use the separator, but I am going to use an extra cardboard sheet which will make the lid bigger than the base. The next step is to use any paper bag, or you can use newspapers or any book papers and then cut them into pieces. Then I made a simple glue and water mixture which I will use to stick these papers on the box. Now use this glue mixture and stick the papers as shown in the video to all the base, sides, edges from inside and outside also. You can take help from any helpers in your house, like I have taken the help of my daughter here. She was so eager and happy to do it. Now we'll stick the cardboard sheet on the lid of the box with the help of a glue gun. On this lid also we will stick the pieces of paper. Then I made a mixture of glue, water and plaster of Paris, that is POP, to apply on the box. The consistency of this mixture should be such that it can be applied on the box with the help of a brush. After applying, let it dry for almost a night so that it dries very nicely. Like here, I have kept overnight and the mixture applied has dried. Now we will trace a design on the lid of the box. I applied black color on the lid because I had the yellow carbon paper. If you have a dark carbon paper, you can directly trace the design on the white mixture lid. With the help of the 3D outliner, I am drawing or I am making the mandala design on the lid. I'll make the foot with the help of any air dry clay. Now I am taking the Fevicryl molded, and with the help of this I am going to make ghungroos on the lid. For making ghungroos, you just need to make small balls and stick on the lid. You can stick the clay balls with the help of any glue, or it also gets directly stuck as it has sticking properties. After making the balls, just make cross marks on the clay balls to just give it a look of ghungroo. Now take any net, this is a skirt net, and just press it lightly on the balls just to give it a texture of ghungroos. Now I'll take the Fevicryl molded clay again and make the foot design. The design I had already traced, And so on that I'll just keep pressing the clay properly, and with the help of the water we can just smoothen out all the roughness and give it nice proper shape. Now with the help of same clay we'll make payal and the ghungroos, and ghungroos we'll make similar to what we have already made. Then I painted the whole box black from inside as well as from outside. Let this black color dry nicely. Maybe you can keep it overnight so that the clay and color both dry perfectly. After the black color has dried, I have taken a little red color on my fingertips and I am rubbing it on the fine lines that are there on the lid and as well as the box, so that it gives a nice old texture to the box. Now see here that it looks so beautiful with the black and red finish. It looks as if it is an artificial leather look. Now similarly we'll take golden color and with the help of a sponge we'll dab it on the ghungroos, because that is bronze or metallic ghungroos. So to give it a look, we'll give a coat of golden color with the help of a sponge. Then with the flesh tint color we'll paint the foot. Then I also dabbed golden color onto the mandala with the help of a sponge. Then also dab the golden color to the overall box faces with the help of a sponge. If you don't have a sponge, you can also use your fingertips to dab the golden color, or if you can also use a dry brush. Just dip the brush tip in the color and lightly dab the color on the surface. Now with the help of red color, we'll paint the alta on the foot, and also we'll paint the nail polish with the help of a pink color. Now we'll take a ball chain to make a hook for the lid of the box. And if you don't have a ball chain, you can also use any thread or any chain of any sort to make the hook of this lid. Stick the ball chain with the glue gun and tape it nicely, and then on it we'll again apply black color so that it gets hidden. After everything has dried, just apply a coat of varnish entirely to the inside and outside of the box, and your DIY jewelry box is ready. This is a very easy upcycle box. Maybe in coming videos I can show you how to upcycle a box without a lid. My daughter learns Bharatnatyam, so I'm going to keep her jewelry in this box. And since this was a traditional jewelry box and for Bharatnatyam jewelry, so I made the design of the foot with ghungru on the lid of this box. So this was an easy upcycle, best out of waste and trash to treasure DIY. Hope you all liked this video. If you have liked it, please do give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also share with your friends and family too. Once again, thanks for watching this video. Until my next video, stay safe, stay healthy and take care. Bye bye.